What do we have? What is this? All over our countertop.
Ketochow.
A
All
lot
of
of
flavor.
ketochow.
So much ketochow. The ketochow people reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a giveaway. And of course I said yes. And they sent over 2 enormous boxes with so many different flavors to give away to you guys. Talia, do you want to say the flavors real quick?
Yes. Natural strawberry.
Sweetened with monk fruit.
Yeah.
Yep.
Chocolate peanut butter, root beer float, chocolate, eggnog, banana, pumpkin spice caramel, strawberry, and snickerdoodle.
So what we're going to do is put together 15 packs, and each pack will have at least one of each flavor in it. And we will do a drawing, and 15 people will win a Keto Chow flavor pack. What you do to enter is down in the comments below this video. Just leave a comment, and somewhere in the comment put #KetoChow, and that will automatically enter you to win one of the prize packs. Leaving multiple comments with the hashtag will not get multiple entries, just 1 entry per person. I am also going to set up a post over on Instagram, and I will put a link down to that post down in the description below. So if you head over to Instagram and leave a comment there as well, then you will get a second entry into the contest. So you can get up to 2 entries into this giveaway. So now we are going to attempt a Keto Chow recipe, baking recipe. So Keto Chow isn't just for shakes. There are lots of recipe creations using the different Keto Chow flavors. And the recipe that we're going to be doing today comes from 2 crazy ketos. It just looked so good. Fudgy Keto Brownies. And it says up here that it's by one of their subscribers, Marie Campos. So want to give credit there. Here are the ingredients. 2 servings or packets of the chocolate Keto Chow, 3 eggs. These are from our chickens. Some cocoa, some vanilla. It was 12 ounces of chocolate chips. We're going to use the Lily's that we have left over from Christmas baking. And this is a 9-ounce bag. And then this is 3 ounces extra to make 12. And then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of butter and a 1/2 cup of sugar. Of course, the recipe doesn't call for real sugar. It calls for allulose plus stevia. But my kids are not keto, and these brownies are going to be mostly for them. They do not come from a place of metabolic dysfunction, so I feel fine about letting them have some carbs in their life. Go ahead and open the chocolate chip bag and dump it into here. So the first thing we're going to do is melt the chocolate chips and the butter, and we're just going to do the microwave option instead of the double boiler.
The whole thing?
Yep. All right, can you unwrap that butter and throw it in there? All right, now we're going to microwave this and stir it until it's melted and smooth. It's been going for about a minute. Looks like it's going to need a few more seconds. All right, let's see how that is. That looks much better. Now we're going to put in the sugar. Charity? And 3 tablespoons of cocoa and get that mixed up real good. It's pretty heaping tablespoon, so on the last one just do a little less than a tablespoon. So we don't want too much. A little more than that. That's probably fine. All right, stir that up real good.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, it looks like a pretty tasty recipe so far, huh?
Looks like crystals.
Mix together chocolate, butter, chocolate chips, sugar. How could it be bad, right?
Mm-hmm. And cocoa powder.
Yeah. Oh, I guess we should preheat the oven. Maybe I'll do that while you're stirring. Let's see, it's supposed to be 350. The shells from our chickens here, the eggs from our chickens, are so hard. The eggs are so different than the ones you get at the grocery store. Stick your thumb into the crack all the way till it pops. It's so hard to crack. Stick it all the way until it pops. You still, oh, there you go. Now you're gonna have to take out any pieces of shell.
Ugh.
There you go. Now you're getting it. Now add in 2 teaspoons of the vanilla and then whip it up with your fork.
It smells so good.
I know. Like poke the yolks real quick just to get them popped. There you go. All right, now we're supposed to put in a little bit of the chocolate mixture to get the eggs a little bit warm before we just dump it right into the bowl. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Now you mix it up real good.
With the fork?
Yep. Go ahead and dump that into the bowl and mix it up. That's looking pretty good. What do you think?
It looks delicious.
All right, now we add in the keto chow. 2 packets of chocolate keto chow. I was thinking this would be good with like the chocolate peanut butter or one of the other, like chocolate mint. There's a chocolate mint keto chow. That would be really yummy. But we'll just do plain chocolate this time. Mix it on up, girl.
There's a lot of mixing in this recipe.
There is a lot of mixing. That's pretty typical of a lot of recipes, though.
And I like mixing.
We could have done it in our new KitchenAid mixer, but I thought it would be pretty easy just to whip up by hand, so I didn't get that one ready. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Doesn't it smell amazing?
A little hard to mix.
Yeah. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. We got our glass baking pan ready with some parchment paper. And Charity, are you ready to get that in there?
How?
You want me to hold the bowl and you scrape?
Yes.
All right, do that. All right, we decided we needed to add sprinkles. Go for it, Charity.
Where are the last sprinkles?
There's only a little bit left in the jar. Are you going to use them all up?
Yep.
Okay. Why not? Leftover from Christmas. Get over here to this corner. And over there to that corner. And over this side. Can't have a single bite without sprinkles. Perfect. All right, you ready to put it in the oven?
Yes.
Okay, the pan's not hot yet, so you can just use a no pot holder. All right, let's see how long it's supposed to bake for. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Go ahead. There's the finished brownies. Ready to cut them? Yeah. Go for it, girl. They look super fudgy. We cooked them for a little less than the 30 minutes because they were starting to... I didn't want them to get overcooked. I wanted them to be more fudgy. Do you need help?
Yes. These are hard to cut.
All right. You're making them really tiny. Maybe I could have cooked it a little longer. It is kind of soft in the middle. But it'll still be delicious.
We'll just most definitely need a plate.
Yeah. If when they cool, they might firm up. Yeah, I shouldn't have pulled them out so early. What was I thinking? I stuck a toothpick in and it almost came out clean. And I didn't want it to get too hard, you know. But it'd be good with some ice cream, wouldn't it? Mm. All right, but let's do a taste test. Maybe go get a plate and we'll get get Renee up here to do a taste test with you and Talia. Oh my goodness, that looks so good, Charity. They look super, super fudgy. Taste testers are on their way. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Come over here.
These look so good.
Don't they?
Yes.
All right, you guys ready to try some?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Go for it. This edge one was easy to pick up.
A piece of that.
Okay.
Wait, is this the one that I'm supposed to take off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you picked a different one.
So good.
Yeah? Very
They
fudgy.
taste like
Yeah,
very,
they're very
very
rich. Can I have
gooey,
this
fudgy
one?
brownies.
Yeah.
Can I have this?
Yes, you may. How about keep it on a plate though?
Yeah,
Yeah, they're
how
very.
about somebody gets a different plate and I use this plate?
Renee's ready to go chow down. They seem like they'd be perfect with ice cream, like a brownie sundae, because they're so soft and fudgy.
Let me go get it.
Hey, Renee, come back. You need to give your review. So, Renee, how many thumbs up?
Out of 10, I would give 10.
Beautiful. Talia, how many thumbs up?
Out of 10, I'd give it a 7.
That's pretty good. Charity? Is it stuck to your teeth?
I think it'll be an 8, but with the ice cream, it'll be a 10.
All right.
Ooh, ice cream.
Sounds good. So don't forget to go down into the comments and leave your entry for the giveaway. Also head over to Instagram, leave a comment on the giveaway post there. And we will leave the giveaway open for 5 days. And then we'll close it down, draw the 15 winners.
Wait,
You're giving her yours?
They're rich.
They're very
I
rich.
thought they were trading, like, what?
And then we will get back on and announce all of the winners. Is there anything else we needed to say?
No. They're good.
You can say thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.